Hi, I'm Russ Irvine from RVWifi. I founded and created the company, and I'm really excited to show you how easy our product is to set up and how you can use it in your caravan and motorhome for when you're on holiday. When you order RVWifi, you'll receive your new van with the RVWifi installed. You don't get the boxes. What you do get is a user guide and a SIM card. The SIM card's provided for ease of use. You don't have to use it. You might choose another vendor. It's up to you. If you order RVWifi aftermarket, so you already have your van, you'll receive it in two boxes. One with the router and one with the antenna. Let me show you what's in the router box. In the router box, you'll see we have the router, we have some antennas that are optional but easy for install, and we have a power adapter. You'll see the power adapter just uses any 12-volt socket. In the antenna box, we have the external antenna. Installs on the roof of your van. It is quite easy to install, although often a service centre is recommended. It just sits up on top of your van and the wires drop down. Once you've got your new van with RVWifi installed, to get it working, you really only need to do one thing. That is activate your SIM card. The SIM card activation, there's instructions on the packaging. We pop out the SIM card, so you've got a full-size SIM, and we insert it in the router. There you'll see it click in and out. Once you've inserted it, it's always important to power cycle the router, which is just unplug and plug in again. Forces it to reboot, and after about 30 seconds, you're ready to use RVWifi. You'll see a solid red light here. There's another light that sometimes flashes above, it's okay whether it is or not, and then a solid blue light there. When it's like that, that's how you know RVWifi is working for you. Connect to the Wi-Fi from your laptop or iPad or whatever using the password provided, or if you want to change the password, there's instructions for that in the user guide. Okay, first time you connect your computer or iPad or whatever to RVWifi, you need to connect it to the network. So all you do is go and find the network, choose connect, and it'll prompt you for a password. That password's in your user guide. So we connect it there, and that's it, we're connected. Now, if you want to change the password on your Wi-Fi, you need to type in 10.0.1.1, and that'll take you to the RVWifi setup page. Username and password is admin and admin. Click the login button, and you'll see we're in a whole bunch of menus. We need to click on, firstly, the network tab there, then Wi-Fi, and then we go over here to edit, wireless security, and we type in our new password here, which I will call ABCD1234. It needs to be 8 characters or more. Then we save and apply. And oddly enough, what happens now is you get disconnected because you're using the wrong password. So you need to restart your router and reconnect to it from your computer, and away you go with your new password. So now we've got our password sorted out on the laptop, I want to show you how to do it, in this case an iPhone. So we just go into settings, Wi-Fi, there's our Wi-Fi network, and it's asking us for a new password, which I'll type. Join the network, we're on, so that's it, ready to go for the phone as well. So you'd repeat this with other devices you might have, iPads, tablets, whatever it is. And so it's as simple as that. It's time to enjoy your holiday, sit back and relax, enjoy your Wi-Fi. If you've got any questions, reach out to us on our website, rvwifi.com.au, or on Facebook.